In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that the Excel file you want to import is already saved on your computer and easy to find. This will make the process much smoother once you begin the upload. From the Zoho CRM home screen, go to the Contacts section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation area. Click on Contacts to open the module where your contact records are stored. This is the place where you'll be importing your Excel data, so it's important to make sure you're in the correct section before moving forward. After that, look for the small drop-down arrow in the Contacts area. Click the arrow to open More Options, and then choose Import Contacts. This tells Zoho CRM that you want to bring in a list of contact information from an external file, such as an Excel spreadsheet. If you don't immediately see the option, just look carefully through the menu, because it's typically grouped with other contact-related actions. Once the import window appears, locate your file on your computer and select it. Make sure you choose the correct Excel file that contains the contacts you want to add. After clicking the file, Zoho CRM will begin guiding you through the import setup. At this stage, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the import successfully. As you go through those prompts, pay close attention to how the system matches your spreadsheet columns with the fields in Zoho CRM. For example, things like first name, last name, mail address, and phone number should line up properly. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent errors and keep your contact database clean and organized. If Zoho CRM shows any warnings or asks you to confirm your choices, read them carefully before continuing. These prompts are there to help make sure your data is imported correctly. Once everything looks right, continue through the final confirmation steps. After the import finishes, it's a good idea to open your contacts list and quickly review a few records. This helps you confirm that the information was added properly and appears in the right fields. That's it. You've now learned how to import an Excel file in Zoho CRM.